Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The topic of my presentation today is color. Have you ever thought of using jewelry for your hair? Today I will talk to you about jewelry and its positive effect on our health. Nowadays, people wear jewelry for health since long before. People believe that jewelry is the cure of the disease. First of all, I will talk to you about jewelry in the red shade. It said that the color is good for your wound and safety. Secondly, I will talk to you about orange color jewelry. The most popular jewelry for orange color is amber, like this. In Korea, grandmothers like this jewelry. It is good for asthma, atopy, dermatitis, and allergy. Next, I'll talk to you about green color jewelry. Emerald is good for your health. This color has power of healing eye disease and stress. It is aquamarine. Soak the aquamarine in cold water for 1 hour, and when you wash your eyes will get well. If you drink aquamarine water, your stress will decrease. This is why many people wear aquamarine when they travel in a plane. Lastly, it is pearl. Pearl is good for skin disease and anti-aging. Cleopatra used pearl cosmetics for her youth. It has moisturizers, so nowadays famous cosmetic companies are using pearl for cosmetics material. Thank you. In my opinion, it's a great idea to wear jewelry for your health. Health is a wonderful thing. It will keeps your health. Would you like invest for your health? Take it. It's your chance. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you very much.
All right. Very good. Do we have any questions for her? Any questions about her suggestions for wearing jewelry? Yes.
Is that superstition or they have a scientific reason for to say that depends on color orange or?
Is it superstitious or is there scientific backing? Scientific?
Oh.
Okay.
So what does the red diamonds do?
What was red again? Sorry,
Red,
what was red for again?
Red color is good for your wound and safety. Yeah.
what's the tip?
Let's see. Wounds and for okay, maybe if you were septic. Septic? Is that what you're looking for? Septic?
What's wounds?
Wounds? What's a wound? I sliced my arm, I have a wound, and when it gets pussy, it's going septic. So red is used to get rid, rubies would get rid of the pus and the healing. It would start healing it properly. Okay?
When you wound, you just like
Rub your rubies with it.
not do like this and heal the wound.
The healing power of gems. Yes.
Let's go.
We just go, how about we just go to the hospital?
That's where
Any other questions about
that guy.
do you have any color on black for healing at all?
Black is good for muscle pain.
Black is good for muscle pain.
So,
Okay.
Yeah, so I cut the black. Do you know onyx?
Onyx, yes, the black onyx.
I-
Onyx.
So I cut onyx for my mother because she has muscle pain.
Mhm.
So I gave her for her muscle pain. So she always
Rubs
loves
the onyx on her. Onyx. All right, very interesting. So the power of gems for healing. Wonderful.
So was it working for?
Did it work?
Oh,
It works?
the most expensive medicine.
The most expensive, and you may want to pass this on to your next of kin, right? My new generation.
Yeah, although just I cut them.
You cut your own onyx. And where did you get that from?
From my university.
Oh, okay.
It's my major.
Oh, okay. So you're majoring in gems? Wonderful. This is her major, is in gems. So at her school, she had onyx. She was able to cut some and bring it to her mom and use it for rubbing.
With the jewelry, she uses the jewelry like
Yeah.
this. It's not just looking at the jewelry.
Not just to look at, it's also to use as the healing power. So a lot of people believe that there's a healing power in gems and in other earthy things, right? It's all about earth and healing and being all part of the holistic
She cut the black diamond.
She cut the onyx herself, and then onyx. Describe onyx. What is onyx? Or what did you say it was? What is it made from?
In my university.
What is the rock? Can you describe how onyx is made?
It's the basic rock of the diamond.
No diamond.
No, this is a black gem.
Just
It's a black gem. Yeah. It's a black, shiny gem. It's not of diamond. It's not made from compressed carbon. It is made differently, isn't it? Yeah, how is that made? Do you know? Do you remember? It's a natural, it's the way the rocks are cooled that they crystallize in certain ways, okay? They have to have certain, what do I call it? A certain situation to make a certain stone, certain compounds that have to come together in a certain way that it's cooled, that it separates, okay? Sometimes steam, sometimes pressure, okay? Am I right? I am. I study these too. Excellent. Information sciences. Any other questions for her? How much is
But she didn't say anything about that.
cost? Do you know? Yes. How much are gems are? They range, don't they?
This depends on size.
Yes. Depends on size and quality. Okay. Diamonds depends on the size and the quality. You could have a 10-carat diamond that is cracked and has bad lines in it. Okay. Or some other crystals that aren't perfect, right? So you could have a big ruby with a hole in the middle of it, and it wouldn't be as much as a perfect ruby, right? So it depends on quality.
Two beautiful rain. My mom took them away. She said they make it crazy.
She makes it, see? She believes it?
The rain is too expensive, both of them. They like with diamonds and gold.
So you'll always be thinking about them and worried about them, so they make you crazy.
Just beautiful diamonds, and my mom took it away.
When diamond did you?
Oh yeah.
Any other questions for our presenter? For our presenter, any other questions?
I think she prepared a lot.
I think she did very well, yes. I think you had a great presentation. You were informed. You had some good background. One thing I would suggest is try not to read word for word. If you had a cue card with just a couple of phrases that you could actually look up, and you would feel better to talk about it because you can lose yourself as you're reading. So that's one point that you need to watch out when you are doing presentations. Try not to read. You can use flashcards and just have a couple of phrases on there. And then, especially if you're doing idioms, if you just write down the idiom, you'll know, okay, this is what I'm going to say and practice it. But I think you did a great job. Thank you.